In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view symbol specifications in MetaTrader 5. Understanding the details of each trading symbol is essential for managing your trading strategy effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, knowing how to find this information will help you make informed decisions. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the MetaTrader 5 application. This powerful platform is widely used by traders all over the world due to its versatility and comprehensive set of features. Once you've launched the application, we're ready to get started. To begin, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. This shortcut opens up the Market Watch window, which is a vital tool within MetaTrader 5 as it displays all the trading symbols available to you, along with their current bid and ask prices. If you're already familiar with this window, you know it's your gateway to accessing more detailed information about each symbol. If it's your first time, take a moment to explore this space, as it serves as the hub for your trading data. Next, you'll want to right-click on the specific symbol you wish to check. This can be any currency, pair, commodity, index, or asset you plan to trade. Right-clicking on the symbol will prompt a context menu to appear, presenting you with several options. From this list, select Specification. Doing so will open the specification window for the chosen symbol. In the specification window, you will find a wealth of information about the symbol. This includes details on the contract size, trading hours, and other essential attributes. The key field you are looking for here is labeled digits. This field indicates the number of decimal places used in the pricing of the symbol. Understanding the digits is critical as it influences how you set your price levels for trades, stops, and limits. For instance, if a symbol has 3 digits, like 123.456, that's crucial to consider when calculating pip values or determining your risk management strategy. As you become more familiar with these details, you'll be better equipped to tailor your trading tactics to the specific requirements of each symbol. And that's it. With these easy steps, you're now able to view and understand the symbol specifications in MetaTrader 5. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with this information is a small investment that can lead to better trading insights and improved performance over time. Remember, the more you understand about the instruments you're trading, the more control you have over your strategy. Don't hesitate to explore other features within MetaTrader 5 to enhance